In this video, I'm going to quickly tell you about the Battery Tender Junior automatic battery charger, how to use it, as well as my thoughts and experiences with it. I purchased this because keeping your vehicles on a battery tender not only guarantees you're going to have 100% charge when you need it, but it also helps extend the life of the battery. They come with little alligator clips that easily open and close, and you just clip the black onto the negative side of the battery and the red to the positive side of the battery. And you just take your cap off, plug it in, plug your tender in. So the indicator lights are really nice. If it's solid red, it means that it's charging. If it's flashing red, it means that it's not charging. That's either because a fuse is bad, it's not properly connected, or even your battery's bad. If it's flashing green, it's 80% or above. If it's solid green, it's 100% charged. You can also use these to permanently install on your battery. That way it allows you to put your seat on and charge your battery without ever taking it off the bike. I would definitely recommend this battery tender to anyone who owns a motorcycle, dirt bike, four-wheeler, or any 12-volt vehicle style battery.